now in my mind, this is such a mess also because I've been laid off. So here's the first essay of testing my wide angle for my Osmo Pocket 3, and I just want to know how it goes because I'm gonna vlog now in my mind. This is such a mess also because I've been laid off, and I know that I'm not the only one. I just relate what it is currently in my life now and how I can get up again to still building a mindset, staying in motion, creating content on things you love and your expertise. That's it. During the month of June, I signed a freelance contract to be a video content creator. I worked with a social media manager, and we started to build trust each other. He's in remote, I'm in remote as well. Progressively, we started to create like a very good professional relationship. So I started to create my contents, and all of a sudden, 1st of July, he announced me, I have a very bad news for you. Like, I'm leaving the company at the end of the month. They are laying off all of the freelancers. I was preparing, the videos for the next week. And here I am today. I was like, yeah, disappointed, of course, but also I feel a bit sad. I wanted to put money aside. I had a lot of projects, and I wanted to add another source of income as well. I felt like, oof. That was a bit much. I started like 3 weeks ago, and one of my videos started to hit like more than 10K views in one day, more than 400 likes. And with my social media manager, we were like, oh my God. So we started to learn. That was the process right now, but imagine in 6 months. I told him I don't want to imagine anymore because it's over. I feel kind of depressed just a bit. And then I took it like a redirection in a better way. So what do we have right now? I decided to print all of the fundamentals of my background. So to explain you, I've been graduated in financial markets since a decade now. I never had the courage to, share my analysis because of the imposter syndrome. I used to work in asset management, and because I didn't have any track record, I didn't allow myself to, explaining what's happening in the market, in our geopolitics right now. All of this, it's time, to work a bit harder. I think that it's a very good opportunity, to revise and to start the practice. You gotta stay in motion for yourself so that people can see that you're moving, and people will move with you, and you create a movement like this. I really believe in that. So for this week, be focused on posting and also finding exactly what kind of freelance position I can apply to. I'm not saying wrong when I say that content creator can be one of the freelance contracts I want to have. So let's prove it.